Suiting up for day 2 with Sonam's music. So today, me, Trevor, and Steven are hiking with 4K, and he's a little bit of a legend here. He can make it from Lukla to Everest Base Camp in 8 hours. And as we were leaving, the others in the group told him to kick our ass in Nepalese. So we'll see if we're crying by the end of this or not. So there are a lot of stray dogs in Nepal, and we have been told not to feed them because they said if you feed them, they'll follow you all the way to Everest Base Camp. This guy joined us on the most recent village that we passed through, and none of us fed him, but he's been sticking with us. We're passing through another village right now. We've got a volleyball court, and sadly the dog has stopped following us, but we decided to name him Kobe. So Kobe Hobart, if you're watching this, just know you're here with us in spirit. This is Khumbu Peak. It reminds me of Uncompahgre back in Colorado, but about 10 times more impressive. All of the writing on these rocks is not just painted on, it's actually etched and carved into the rock. Super impressive.
Up there? Yeah. I was doing that.
First.
Words from Sonam, Dalbot power, 24-hour. Just had my 6th chai as well today. So this right here is the famous Hillary Bridge, and we're about to go on it.
Yeah! Yay!
Got quite the crowd following us.
Jeff's got some traffic behind him.
It's like an endless supply of animal traffic jams. Shadows searching in the night. Open up my eager eyes, 'cause I'm Mr. Brightside, to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country roads. We have reached Namche Bazaar. We've reached our tea house for the night, and the view is just phenomenal.
Yo, we got the best view in the house.
Yo, how's the view in your spot, Trevor?
Yeah, it's all right. It's not as good as South Table, but like,
Yes,
it's all right.
South Table in
Hey,
Colorado
it's
is probably
Devin.
all right. So we're in Namche right now, and we have about a little bit less than an hour till sunset, and everyone's kind of dispersed. And me and Steven haven't had enough elevation gain for today, so we're gonna go up to a viewpoint up there. Hopefully for oh my gosh. I didn't even know that was there. We've done about 5,000 feet of elevation gain today on our second day of trekking. So legs are definitely feeling it right now, but spirits are high. The views just keep getting more incredible. So hard to complain in a place like this. We've gone about 1,100 feet up in a mile, and I think this is a little bit more than we bargained for, but we're so close to the top, and the view on the other side is what's keeping us going. We just reached a stupa. We can see glimpses of peaks on the other side, and I don't know if we're ready for what's gonna be on the other side.
I'm not even tired, dude. The adrenaline just kicked in.
The oh, that's Everest. I think the adrenaline just kicked in for us both. We got a view of Everest right there. Sun hitting it. We're almost at the top, and we're kind of jogging now. We're working our way down in the night lights of Namche Bazaar coming into view. It's pretty sick. Meanwhile, we've got this above us. I feel like George Goldade with all this commentating. George, if you're watching this, just know your little vlogs that you do when we're hiking together kind of inspired me to do this. Made it back into town. We did about an extra 3 miles and 1,300 feet of gain. Now we're gonna go find the rest of the crew. We've been wandering around Namche, trying to find the rest of the group. Steven just might have had the goated spot. We think that might be Karuna and Rachel.
Too much. Soup is good.